Masters week, I get to cross with Dad.
This tournament's rigged. I don't care what anyone says.
No, it's not.
rigged.
It would have been rigged if you two crossed together, but since the two of us are crossing together, it's fine.
Okay, I just want to say at least we're not on different squads this time.
Yeah, we're on the same squad this time, so that's good. US Open, we're on 3 different squads. We're in the bowling center the entire day. This go around, we're not, which is bonus.
I'm just trying to figure this out. It's your first Masters tournament. You're saying it's rigged. You're thankful, I guess, that we're bowling together.
Oh, I'm very thankful, yes.
I mean, I'm looking forward to a great day on the lanes.
Or a great week.
Or that too, yeah.
Well, we're going to hope. All I can say is watch.
Let's do it.
Here we are, post-qualifying round 1. For me, Brandon, and Carter. I had 62 over. That was pretty cool. Did not miss makeable. Beat Dad and Brandon and Carter too, because he's standing right here.
Yeah, you're cool.
That Justin, you know what that gets you?
What? Hey Brandon, what are you at? Huh? What are you at?
We still have 10 games left.
He's
Anything
positive.
can happen.
What are you at after the first round though?
Don't care. Don't care.
Carter, what are you at?
46 up.
And Brandon is not that.
I was 43 down for 3, so I'm gonna take it.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
I'm +4. Does that make you feel any better? All right.
It's not that bad. I don't know why you're
I'm
complaining.
bald, so yeah, it does.
Let's go watch the next squad.
But the messenger that Justin didn't get was